Which continent is mostly covered by ice? Antarctica. Which is the second largest ocean in the world? Atlantic Ocean. What is the main currency used in the country of Jordan? Dinar. Which country is the smallest continent by land area? Australia. Which city in China is known for its very large population? Shanghai. In which country is the famous Burj Khalifa building located? United Arab Emirates. Which very long river flows mainly through the country of Egypt? Nile River. Which large forest is mainly located in the country of Brazil? Amazon rainforest. What is the capital city of North Korea? Pyongyang. Which ocean is the smallest in the world? Arctic Ocean. What is the largest city in India by population? Mumbai. Which country is the largest in Europe by land area? Russia. Which famous country is shaped like a boot? Italy. What is the highest point on the Earth's surface called? Mount Everest. Which mountain is the second highest in the world? K2. Which desert is the largest hot desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Which African country is famous for its large pyramids? Egypt. Which continent is home to the South Pole? Antarctica. Which very salty sea is located between Israel and Jordan? Dead Sea. What is the largest city in Scotland? Glasgow. Which is the continent with the second largest number of people? Africa. Which famous waterfall is located on the border of the USA and Canada? Niagara Falls. Which South American country is famous for the tango dance? Argentina. The Great Pyramids of Giza were built for which ancient culture? Egyptians. Which European capital city is famous for its canals and bicycles? Amsterdam. Which country is home to the ancient rock city of Petra? Jordan. Which lake is shared by the African countries of Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda? Lake Victoria. Which desert covers a very large part of North Africa? Sahara Desert. Which large coral reef is located off the coast of Australia? Great Barrier Reef. What is the main currency used in most countries of the European Union? Euro. In which country is the famous city of Paris located? France. What is the main currency used in the country of China? Yuan. Which major river flows through the country of China? Yangtze River. Which ocean is the coldest and most remote? Southern Ocean. What is the official capital city of Australia? Canberra. Which mountain range runs along the west coast of South America? Andes Mountains. Which long, deep lake is found in East Africa? Tanganyika Lake. Which of these is not part of the United Kingdom? Republic of Ireland. Which Caribbean island is famous for reggae music? Jamaica. About how many countries are there in the whole world? Around 195. Which large peninsula is located in the Middle East? Arabian Peninsula. Which U.S. state is a chain of islands in the Pacific Ocean? Hawaii. Which country shares a border with Northern Ireland? Republic of Ireland. Which country in South America has Portuguese as its official language? Brazil. Which very dry desert is found along the west coast of South America? Atacama Desert. Which country is located directly to the north of the USA? Canada. Which very large island is located near Canada and Denmark? Greenland. What is the common nickname for the mountain K2? The Savage Mountain. Which very deep lake is located in Russia? Baikal Lake. Which continent is also known as the Far East? Asia. How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.